I'm looking for someone who is open, honest, someone who is humorous, straight up, not playing games, and somebody who wants to, you know, see you after more than one time, who's not just looking for, a good time, as some of them phrase it.
Well, just looking for someone that I'm attracted to, I guess.
So it's really easy to kind of just get rid of the douches. If there's a topless photo, that's a no deal.
Dick pics.
I haven't come across any of those as yet. I haven't had any of those rather revealing photos. The first photo has to be of them, because if they're in a group, you're like, well, I'm sorry that I fancy your friend more than you. That's a bit awkward. Swipe left. What else do I look for? Generally not one of them holding the phone, taking a selfie. It's definitely looks a bit creepy. Last night we were sitting on the couch and my housemate goes, I just got a message that said DTF. And I said to her, I just started laughing, and she goes, what does that mean? And I was like, gee, Google it. And then she looked it up and her jaw just dropped. It means down to fuck.
Down to fun.
Down to fun. I've also had KFC.
What the hell's KFC?
And my reply was, no, I'm not looking for chicken. Instead, he says it means keen for cock. So basically when you get the acronyms, straight up, no conversation, no. When you're in a social situation, it's quite funny to sit in a group and to swipe.
It is addictive at times, so you're just literally swiping. Well, me and my housemate would probably sit at home and swipe for like, I don't know, an hour or something or more. We'll swipe and we'll show each other if we've matched with someone, or like we'll show each other a picture of some chick that just looks ridiculous or some chick that looks awesome. And then if we get a match with someone that looks awesome, we'll like, you know, have a breakdance party and shit.
One of the downfalls of Tinder definitely has to be that I think that men have that option now. And I think that when you're out, and I'm not going to generalize to all men, but like when they're out, they don't feel as obliged to approach women because there's always kind of like that safety net, and they're like, well, you know, you got Tinder. And a lot of them will look to it like even when they're out, and they'll go with the preference of what they're looking at on Tinder rather than the girl that's in front of them, because sometimes they've got options.
Yeah. I think it's a necessity though, like you don't have to just have Tinder. You can have it, it's a good thing to have, but when you're out, you've also got the option of going and chatting up a chick or whatever, or buying a drink for someone.